to Unique Learning. So today we are going to learn 5 magical or golden words. Please watch it till last. First one is please. Learning how to make a request is one of the fundamental skills that everyone needs to develop. So we say, please sit down, please give me a glass of water, please be quick. Next is sorry. We say sorry when we want to apologize for our mistakes. We say, I'm sorry for my fault. Sorry I could not come. I feel sorry to hurt you. Magical word thank you is used to express gratitude towards generosity and any help received from others. So we say thank you for helping me, thank you for coming here. Next one is excuse me. We say excuse me when asking for a favor, permission to interrupt in between, leave a place, asking someone to leave a place for you to pass. Excuse me, please. Welcome. Say welcome when someone says thank you to you. Welcome, dear. Now please like and subscribe to my channel.